What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make canards, but it's specifically for the 370Z. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so to start off, you're going to need some cardboard. I took mine out of a those little things from the boxes. I took mine off of there, and what this is, you're going to use this as a template so that you can, make the shape of your canard. So I already have mine done. Now what I did was kind of trace it out, but make it a little straight. Like this part right here is an error. I had to curve a lot better than this. But what I did was try to perfect it on the sheet metal. Alright, you guys, so the tools that you're going to need for this DIY is some sheet metal, some sandpaper so that you can sand off the edges, make it smoother so like nobody cuts themselves, a corner brace, so it acts like a little bracket, a marker so you can make the shape of your canard, and you can also use a dry erase marker so that you can make the marks on your car and such. You're also going to need this for the sheet metal. It's a little cutter, a sheet metal cutter, and it goes both ways. There's ones that go left and right, I believe, but this one goes both ways. This is going to be really handy with so you can cut out your shape. And yeah, oh, you're also going to need a drill bit, so you can drill in So you're also going to need a drill and a drill bit so you can drill through this and through your car. All right, so let's get to it. All right, you guys, so I already have my basic shape here. Now you're going to want to use your marker. Okay, but so you can try to make your shape kind of like mine, sort of. It is what you want. You can round off the edges better, whatever you'd like. But what you got to do is add like this extra flap here so that it can fold up, for your canard. This is how I did mine. Okay, that's how I did mine. You can make yours maybe fold up way over here. It's up to you. So let me show you the finished product. All right, you guys, I just traced it. The reason why the line is here is that's because that's where I'm going to fold it over. So what you're gonna want to do is just cut it out. And I advise that you guys use gloves, like some nice thick gloves so that you don't cut yourself, because this, look at that. Yeah, this can go right through your skin like butter. So, gotta be careful. All right, you guys, so once it's cut out, you're gonna want to use like some wood or something like this so that you can put the sheet metal in between so you can get a nice perfect bend, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so now that your canard is in between these blocks, I already did it. It's like one of those cooking shows where you're trying to show the people, the audience, how to cook it, but they take out another one out the oven already. That's done. Anyways, so you're going to want to bend it up here and hit it with like a hammer or something so that it's nice and flat. And what this does is try to like make a better bend than what you would do with your hands. So it'll make it a lot sharper and make it look better. This is where we are at. Now that you have your basic shape, your bend and everything, you're going to want to sand it down. Sand all the edges down, and to where you go like this and you won't cut yourself, okay? But you got to be really careful, because there will be little things poking out, and those things will seriously go through your skin like nothing. So be careful, please. So once you have it all nice and sanded, you're gonna want to go up to your bumper, make sure it kind of fits just like that. I already have mine, so what I did was grab a dry erase marker and kind of outline the bottom of it. I had help with my sister while I held it up. She just made the line, actually. And these little dots here are for the brackets. So here are the brackets. And it's gonna go like that, just like that. So what you're gonna do is grab the bracket. Then you're gonna grab your dry erase and mark it up in between that hole, and that's how you get it done throughout the rest of the, the length of the canard here. And use a measuring tape so that you're a little bit more precise in your markings and what have you. And yeah, and you're gonna really want to measure it up once you have your markings on both sides. That way they're equal. You know, you don't want to have one higher than the other. So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to want to drill these holes in. And yeah, you're going to want to drill those holes in. Alright guys, so I made all 3 holes here. And now you're going to want to grab your bolts and put them through. You know, just to, oh, excuse me. Don't just put it through just like that. Grab your bracket here and put your bolt in through there. And on the other side, you're gonna want to put a washer. Where are my washers? I want to put a washer and a nut. Okay, on the other side of the bumper. So let me show you how that looks. You're gonna want to leave this one a little bit loose so that you can move the bracket around and set it up to the angle of your canard. So yeah, just do this for all 3. Alright guys, so it's gonna look like this. Now you're gonna want to put your bracket up here. Make sure it's good. You know, and now from here, make sure that they're all flat. Ah! Alright, so anyways, make sure that they're all flat. Well, they don't have to be completely flat, but try to get pretty close. And what you're gonna want to do here is, again, mark the things up. What?
Real quick?
Yeah, thanks, bye. So now what you're going to want to do again is put the marker in through the holes up there and mark it up. I'm just going to do the first hole, which is this one. I'm just going to mark that one up and drill through it. Be right back. This is how it's going to look like when you mark it up. Now you're going to want to just drill right through it, guys. So I drilled the holes out and I'm going to bolt it up. This is all bolted up. I'm just test fitting it right now because I'm actually going to paint it black. But this is how it looks like. Got these back here. Got the washer, the nut, all 3 of them. Right, same for the other side. It's not bolted up all the way yet, so. But yeah, that's pretty much the final product. Pretty excited. And what I'm actually going to do is probably put another one like down here maybe. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's how it looks like. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But now I just gotta paint it black and yeah, I'll show you guys how that looks like. Alright you guys, so there it is. That's the finished product. So right now it looks a little bit odd because it doesn't have anything to complement it. I'm probably gonna add something else down there, and then later I plan to get a splitter, but I'm probably gonna get that professionally done. But that's how she looks. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you have any questions or DM me on Instagram. It'll be down in the description below.